Finding an epic in Jira involves locating large bodies of work that can be broken down into smaller issues or stories. Here's how to find epics effectively. Log into Jira. Ensure you have the appropriate permissions to access and view issues in your projects. Navigate to the Issue Navigator. Click on the Issues tab in the top navigation bar and select Search for Issues. This will open the Issue Navigator. Use Basic Search. In the Issue Navigator, switch to Basic Search mode if it's not already selected. Use the drop-downs to filter by issue type. Select Epic from the Issue Type drop-down to display only epics. Apply additional filters. To narrow your search, apply additional filters like Project, Status, or Assignee. For example, select the project from the Project drop-down to see epics associated with that specific project. Use Advanced Search. For more complex queries, switch to JQL. Enter a query like Issue Type equals Epic to find all epics. Refine further with additional criteria. Review results. Review the list of epics. Click on each epic to view details such as associated stories, progress, and descriptions. Save filters. To save this search for future reference, click Save As and give your filter a name.